Wow, you're really good yourself. SpongeBob, what are you doing? Oh, hi guys. I came to Animal Junction early because I want to climb. And I named an animal friend Climber. Actually, I called him Sticky Toe.
It sounds like your animal friend is a lizard with a special ability. Lizards are reptiles that are known for their long, sticky tongues, which they use to capture prey. That would be a gecko, my friend. Geckos are known for their ability to walk on vertical surfaces, including glass and even on the ceiling. They have special toes with tiny suction cups that allow them to stick to surfaces.
Well, Sticky Toe, you're a gecko! And Sticky Toe is a perfect name, SpongeBob! Wow, that's so cool. But why is Sticky Toe brown?
That's a great question. Sticky Toe is brown because many gecko species have a brown or similarly colored camouflage pattern on their bodies. This helps them blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. The brown color also helps them absorb heat from the sun, which gecko species need to regulate their body temperature. So, Sticky Toe's brown color is a perfect adaptation for living in its environment.
Wow, Sticky Toe the gecko lizard is licking his own eye.
That's quite a unique name and habit for a lizard. It's not too unusual for lizards to groom themselves by licking their own eyes, as they can get dirt or debris in them and need to clean them out. It's great that you have a lizard friend named Sticky Toe. Lizards can be very interesting and entertaining animals to observe.
What are some facts about geckos?
Here are some fun facts about geckos. Geckos are small, insect-eating lizards that belong to the family Geckonidae. They are known for their ability to climb up walls and walk upside down on ceilings, thanks to specialized pads on their feet. Many species of geckos have the ability to regenerate their tails if they lose them as a defense mechanism. Some geckos have enlarged, sticky toes that allow them to climb on surfaces that are not perfectly smooth. Geckos are found worldwide, with over 2,000 species found in various habitats.
But how do geckos climb up glass and ceilings without falling off?
The ability of geckos to climb up walls and walk on ceilings is truly fascinating and has intrigued scientists and researchers for many years. The answer lies in the unique adaptation of their feet, which have millions of tiny hairs on their toes, known as setae. These setae are so small that they can form powerful van der Waals forces with the surface they are attached to, allowing geckos to cling to various surfaces, even smooth ones. This ability, combined with their light body weight, allows them to climb up and walk on walls and ceilings without falling off.
Wow, geckos are really good climbers.
That's right. Geckos are known for their incredible climbing abilities. They have specialized toes with tiny suction cups that allow them to adhere to smooth surfaces, even upside down. This allows them to climb up walls, across ceilings, and hang off of branches with ease. Geckos are also able to move quickly and efficiently through their environment, making them highly adept at escaping predators. Their climbing abilities are a testament to their adaptability and survival skills in the wild.
Wow, that's so cool! Hey, what does Sticky Toe eat?
Great question. Sticky Toe is most likely an insectivore, which means they primarily eat insects. Geckos have a diet that consists of a variety of small insects, including flies, crickets, and even other geckos. Sticky Toe's special toes allow them to catch prey easily, and their sticky tongue helps them snatch insects from the air. So, Sticky Toe likely enjoys a diet of juicy, squirming insects.
I guess Sticky Toe is climbing out of here. Bye, Sticky Toe! Have fun climbing! Wait a minute, I have an idea. Let's go find some more climbers. Let's go! And let's stick together this time. this wildcat, Climb Whisker. But what type of wildcat is she?
It's possible that your wildcat, Climb Whisker, is indeed a leopard. Leopards are well known for their agility and ability to climb trees and cliffs, and some of them can even climb smooth surfaces like glass and ceilings. They have sharp claws that allow them to grip and scramble up surfaces and an incredible sense of balance and coordination. However, without seeing the cat in person, it's impossible to say for sure. But
Hey, what are those black stuff on? What are those little black things surrounding on the leopard?
based on your description, the little black spots that you see surrounding the leopard are most likely the leopard's spots or rosettes. Leopards are known for their distinctive spotted coats, which serve as camouflage in their natural habitat. The rosettes are circular markings that can vary in shape, size, and number, and often have a dark center and a light border. They help the leopard blend in with its surroundings, making it harder for prey to spot them.
Wow, that's so cool. I like its rosettes. Oh! Hey, Chris, what are some facts about leopards?
Leopards are amazing creatures. Here are a few facts about them. Leopards are the smallest of the big cats, but they are known for their powerful build and adaptability. They are stealthy hunters, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves with their strong jaws and sharp claws. Leopards have a beautiful coat of golden fur with intricate black rosettes that helps camouflage them in their environment. They are agile climbers and swimmers, able to climb trees and swim across rivers with ease. Leopards are nocturnal, which means they are most active at night.
What do they eat?
Leopards are carnivores, meaning they primarily eat meat. Their diet consists mainly of medium-sized mammals such as gazelles, antelopes, and monkeys.
I think Climb Whisker is ready to climb. Hey, let's climb like leopards. Great idea, Patrick. Everybody climb. Yes, climbing! Wow. She is gripping onto that tree without falling off.
That's impressive. Gripping onto a tree without falling off is no easy feat, especially for a smaller creature like Laura. Her balance and grip strength must be quite strong.
Laura, the leopard's name is the leopard's name is Climb Whisker. We are climbing like leopards, and so are you guys.
It seems like you're really getting into the climbing spirit. Leopards are known for their incredible climbing skills, and it's cool to see you trying to climb like them. Climbing can be a fun and challenging way to exercise and explore your surroundings. Just be sure to stay safe and make sure you have a secure and stable hold on whatever you're climbing on. And of course, don't forget to have fun and take in the view from up high.
Oh, this is so much fun. Yeah, like climbing up to the top. Wow, a leopard is a beautiful sight to see, right, Martin?
Absolutely. Leopards are truly beautiful creatures, known for their striking appearance and powerful grace. They have a unique spotted pattern on their coats that helps them blend in with their surroundings, making them masters of camouflage. Leopards are also elusive and solitary animals, which makes seeing one in the wild all the more special. So yes, a leopard is definitely a beautiful sight to see.
I think Climb Whisker is about to go back to her cubs. Bye! Have fun climbing as well. Let's go find some more climbing creatures. Whoa! It's a fish out of water and it's climbing.
That's right. It's Not every day you see a fish out of water, let alone one that's climbing. Such a sight is usually reserved for fictional stories or underwater magic. But here, in our Animal Junction, anything seems possible.
Now that's something you don't see every day. But what type of fish is he?
Based on his ability to climb out of water, he seems to be a type of fish that has adapted to amphibious living. He likely has specialized fins or other physical characteristics that allow him to move both in water and on land. As for his specific species, it is difficult to determine without further observation or identification of his physical traits.
Hey, wait! I think I know what he is. He's a mud skipper.
You're absolutely right. You're a real whiz when it comes to animal species. A mud skipper is indeed able to climb out of water and uses its specialized fins to move around on land.
I'm gonna name him Climbfish because he is a fish that climbs. What are some facts about mud skippers?
Mud skippers are a group of amphibious fish that are known for their ability to move around on land. They have specialized fins that allow them to walk along the ground, and they are often found in muddy areas along the shores of coastal regions. There are some interesting facts about mud skippers. Mud skippers are able to breathe both through their gills and through their skin. They have a specialized organ called a labyrinth organ, which helps them to extract oxygen from the air when they are on land. Mud skippers are known for their loud cries, which they use to defend their territories and attract.
What do they eat? Wahoo!
Mud skippers are known to be opportunistic feeders and will eat a variety of foods that are available to them in their environment. They primarily feed on small invertebrates such as insects, worms, and crustaceans, as well as algae and other plant matter.
Everyone climb like a mud skipper! You can do it! Woohoo! I'm climbing just like Climbfish. Woohoo! Yeah! Everyone's climbing today. This can only happen in Animal Junction.
Wow, looks like everyone is having a blast climbing like a mud skipper today. It's great to see you all enjoying yourselves and having fun with the climbing challenge.
But are you sure he's a fish and not a frog?
That's a valid question. Mud skippers do share some similarities with frogs, as they are amphibious creatures that can live both in water and on land. However, mud skippers are indeed fish belonging to the family Gobiidae. They have a more streamlined body shape compared to frogs, and they retain their gills and scales throughout their lives. While they may resemble frogs, they are still classified as a type of fish, showcasing the incredible diversity of aquatic creatures.
Aquatic.
Yep, you got it. Aquatic refers to things that live in or are related to water. In the context of the mud skipper, the term aquatic correctly describes their ability to live in both water and land habitats, making them amphibious creatures.
We climbed like... hey, we didn't climb like the gecko. Let's climb like geckos. Woohoo! We're climbing like geckos. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! So much fun! We climbed like geckos, climbed like leopards, and now we climbed like mud skippers. And speaking of mud skipper, Climbfish is about to leave. Bye, Climbfish. See you next time. Hey, let's go explore more. Woohoo! Yeah! Spiders! Ah! Get them away from me! I'm kidding. Hey, do spiders climb?
Oh, definitely. Spiders are known for their ability to climb on various surfaces, including walls, ceilings, and other structures.
Hey, what's that he's making?
Looks like the spider is making a web.
What's a web?
A web is a sticky, woven structure made of silk threads that is spun by spiders. The web is used by spiders for various purposes, such as catching prey, sheltering their eggs, and for communication.
What? Spiders are the coolest insects I ever known.
While spiders are not technically insects, insects are a separate group of arthropods that do not produce silk. They certainly are fascinating and amazing creatures in their own right. Different people may have different opinions on which spider species is the coolest.
What do you mean he's not an insect? I mean, he looks like an insect.
While spiders may look similar to insects, they are actually not insects. Insects have three main body parts, a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. They also have 6 legs and 2 antennae. Spiders, on the other hand, have 2 body parts, a cephalothorax, which includes the head and thorax,
What?
and an abdomen. Spiders also have 8 legs and no antennae. So while they may look similar, spiders and insects are actually very different creatures.
Okay, wait a minute. If spiders are not insects, what are they?
You're absolutely right. Spiders are not insects. They are actually arachnids. Arachnids are a class of arthropods that share certain characteristics, such as having 8 legs and a tough exoskeleton.
I'm gonna name this spider Webster because you spin a web. But how does a web help a spider?
Great observation, SpongeBob. A spider's web serves several purposes. First, it acts as a safety net to catch prey. Spiders have special glands that produce sticky silk, which they use to create intricate webs. When an unsuspecting insect flies into the web, it gets stuck and it becomes the spider's next meal.
Hey, one thing I know is spider silk. Did you know spider silk is stronger than steel?
You're absolutely right, SpongeBob. Spider silk is truly a wonder of nature. It is indeed known to be stronger than steel.
What are some facts about spiders? And how do they climb?
Here are some fun facts about spiders. Spiders have 8 legs and 2 body segments, cephalothorax and abdomen. They have silk glands that they use to spin webs and create egg sacs. They have venom glands that they use to immobilize prey. There are over 50,000 different species of spiders in the world. Most spiders are beneficial to humans as they help control insect populations. Some spiders have special adaptations like camouflage, burrowing, or even living underwater. While some spiders are known for their venomous bite, they are generally shy and prefer to...
How do they climb?
Great question. Climbing like a spider, also known as wall crawling or spider's climb, involves mimicking the movements of a spider.
Let's climb like spiders! Woohoo! Climbing like a spider is spiderific! Look at everybody climbing like spiders! Woohoo! Woohoo! But how do spiders stick on the webs?
Spiders are able to stick to their webs thanks to the sticky properties of their silk. When a spider produces silk, it coats the threads with a substance called silk glue, which gives the silk its sticky properties. This silk glue is produced by special glands in the spider's abdomen and is then extruded onto the silk threads as they are spun. As a result, the silk threads are coated in a thin layer of sticky glue.
Okay, bye, Webster. Hey, let's go find some more climbing creatures. Hey, and I see a climbing creature from that place. What is that?
SpongeBob. You've spotted the ring-tailed lemur. Madagascar, indeed, is home to this fascinating primate known for its distinct ring tail and agile climbing abilities.
Wow, this ring-tailed lemur looks like a raccoon. I think I'm gonna call you brown ring-tailed because you're a ring-tailed and you look brown. Yeah, that's perfect. Wait, do ring-tailed lemurs climb, Chris? Yeah, do they?
Great question, SpongeBob. You have a knack for coming up with creative names for animals. Brown ringtail is a fitting name for our lemur friend. And yes, ring-tailed lemurs do climb. In fact, they spend a significant amount of time in trees, moving nimbly through the branches using their long fingers and sharp claws.
So how do we leap like a lemur?
Great question, SpongeBob. Imitating the grace and agility of a ring-tailed lemur while leaping requires some practice. Lemurs are known for their impressive jumping abilities, as they use their strong hind legs to propel themselves through the air.
Yeah, let's do it sideways. Woohoo! We're climbing like a lemur. Yeah. So Martin, what are some facts about lemurs?
Ring-tailed lemurs are a species of lemur that are native to Madagascar. Here are some interesting facts about ring-tailed lemurs. They are social animals that live in groups of up to 25 individuals. Ring-tailed lemurs are known for their distinctive black and white ringed tail, which they use to communicate with other members of their group. They are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. They are also known for their hopping gait and their tendency to jump instead of walk when moving quickly.
Does a ring-tailed lemur eat mainly leaves?
Yes, ring-tailed lemurs are known for their leaping and jumping abilities. They use their powerful hind legs to propel themselves through the air.
Oh, I know that, but I said, do ring-tailed lemurs only eat mainly leaves?
Ring-tailed lemurs are actually omnivores, which means they eat a variety of foods, including fruits, leaves, flowers, bark, and insects.
Wow, that's so cool. But why does a ring-tailed lemur has a ringed tail?
The ring-tailed lemur's distinctively marked tail is believed to serve several important functions. One theory is that the contrasting black and white coloration of the tail may serve as a form of communication among members of the same group. The tail may be used to signal social status, emotional state, or dominance within the group. Another possible function of the tail is camouflage. The bold markings on the tail can help to break up the lemur's outline and make it less visible to predators while it is foraging on the ground.
Wow, that's so cool. I'm glad we have you. Hey Chris, how many species of lemurs are there in Madagascar?
There are currently 103 known species of lemurs in Madagascar, which is the only place in the world where these fascinating primates can be found. Lemurs are renowned for their incredible diversity and adaptability, occupying various ecological niches across the island.
But there's one thing that lemurs all have in common. Lemurs live in Madagascar.
That's correct, SpongeBob. All lemurs are native to the island of Madagascar.
Madagascar is a cool place. Let's get back to Animal Junction.
Great idea, SpongeBob. Madagascar is indeed a fascinating place, but Animal Junction awaits our return.
Hey, a fun way. Let's climb there. Good idea. Everyone climb back to Animal Junction.
All right, everyone. Patrick's ready to climb back to Animal Junction. Let's get back to our animal buddies and share our exciting adventures. Together, we'll climb our way back to our home.
So, Martin, what was your favorite part of the climbing adventure?
I loved climbing like a leopard the most. It was so thrilling and exciting exciting to imagine myself on the tree branches, creeping and crawling just like them. I even tried to hold onto the walls and on the ceiling, too. Laughing.
My favorite part is when we climb like the geckos. And I love my pals. What was your favorite part of the day, Patrick? Oh, my favorite part is when we climbed like spiders. It's great how we can hang around. So what's your favorite part, Chris?
My favorite part of the climbing adventure was witnessing the incredible agility and adaptability displayed by different animals. From the gecko's gripping toes to the lemur's skillful leaps, it was truly inspiring to see how nature has equipped these creatures with unique abilities to navigate their environments.
Oh, Martin went out. What? Oh, he's going to Africa. Let's go there.
Ahoy, SpongeBob. It seems Marlin's off to Africa. That's exciting. Africa is a vast and diverse continent teeming with incredible wildlife and